Hey guys, Dylan here at Countersteer, and this is our first YouTube video for a build we're doing here at the shop. It's a 95 Toyota Supra GE, doing a full engine build, full drivetrain upgrade, painted engine bay, painted exterior, wheels, brakes, suspension, some interior work, maybe in-house, or we'll find someone else to do that for us. Horsepower goals, about 1200 horsepower on the stock block. We chose not to go billet with this, just a little too expensive, and 1200 horsepower is safe on the stock casting and going to be plenty of fun. We imported this car through Fed Legal Imports, which we also bought our personal R33 from. These wheels are hideous. The front's pretty nice. Wish they had a matching rear set. Work emotions. We'll be doing big brakes, a wire tuck, massive single turbo, flex fuel tuning. It's a funny story how this car came here and why we're doing this build. We sold our shop car to the same guy, R32 with 500 horsepower. He loved it so much that he said, hey, this thing drives great, you guys are awesome, you do good work, it was a good experience, I want you to build another car for us. So he said he always wanted a Supra. We found one for him, we imported it, it arrived here, he came and checked it out, and I took him for a ride in it. He likes it. Well, we're going for 1200 horsepower, and today we tear it apart. We'll be doing a time lapse of taking the engine, transmission, diff, axles, maybe a few other pieces off today. We're mostly known for building awesome Nissans, from 240s, 350Zs, Skylines, you name it, anything in that realm. We daily drive them, we've owned them, we've raced them, we've built them show car quality, but race car status. That's what we do. So with this car, we'll be doing the same. We have a lot of experience with the 2JZ engine as well, so this is no problem. We can take care of anything he wants. We'll be using a Grantis transmission kit with a T56, Grantis Racing, and a 9-inch rear end and axle combo, I believe good for 1200 to 1500 horsepower. But first we have to test this thing on the dyno and see a before and after burnout. Well, that's what it's gonna look like, just not today. $187. pretty slow. Not bad. 186 horsepower.
Did you measure?
Yeah, just had it on the Dyna.
Did you really?
Yeah. Let her rip. It doesn't like for a second. This blue's got to go. Some new interior pieces will be ordered and installed. Fix this ugly steering wheel, replace it. Here's the ship that brought the car from Japan over to us. Time to go in and go on the lift. Pretty clean bearing condition for a car from the other side of the world. Who knows if they were drifting in it? Who knows if anyone's ever burned out in it? All right, we're back here after New Year's. Hope everybody had a good one. We got the engine out of the Supra, torn apart. It's pretty clean in here. There's not any heavy surface rust. I wouldn't even say there's any light surface rust. Good candidate. All of this will get heavily pressure washed, maybe some of it powder coated. Definitely new paint everywhere. So that concludes this video. We're gonna try to do our best to keep up with the build and get the camera out and record and get you guys some content. Typically, like I said, we haven't done this before because we're just grinding away, and we try as hard as we can to get the work done and get the car back to the owner. But again, thank you all so much. Like and subscribe. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and contact us by email if we can do anything for you. Thanks.